You guys didn't see that. That didn't happen. It didn't happen. I'm just letting you know. That did not happen. I'm just riding in my own lane, minding my own business. Have I been down through here with the new blacktop? I don't think I have. I've only been on this road a couple times, so how would I even know? And that's how we're starting this off. Let's see if I can stay in my lane this time. Yeah, no, not really. Not really. Today is March 6th. Yet another 70-degree day. I absolutely love it. It needs to stay this way forever. I saw brake lights. Okay, you made it. You cross these and you don't know. You know what I'm saying? It could be just sitting there. I've come across a couple that they've been, you know, you just pop up and boom, they're stopped right in front of you and you're just like, ah! So March 6th, 70-degree day. Yet another 70-degree day. Fingers. Love my fingers. And what a gorgeous little road. And this dude, he's hauling, you know, speed limit's 45, and I am not doing that. And we're not, I don't know if we're going to catch that guy or not. Probably not. I would say he is a local. You know, if I hit the brake and slow down and maybe drop a gear or two, oh yeah, look at that. That's how you stay in your lane. You know, now that I know to slow down, ooh, that's a big piece of tree bark. Maybe I can stay in my lane a little bit better. We'll see. We will see. Just got off work and walked out the door. Said it's 70 degrees. Normally I go this way. I wonder what's that way. We may never know. I'll tell you what, I am a big fan of the manual transmissions, but my poor hands, as you can see, we have a finger that doesn't want to work very well. It is really starting to hurt my hand, and I'm glad that the new Spyder is an electric shift now, because all you need is your thumb. My thumb, that digit, is the thumb a digit? The thumb's working decent. Gorgeous out today, absolutely gorgeous, except everybody's gonna be in the sun. You just can't get a better road. Well, I mean, it depends on what you like. You know, I was on the highway messing around. I really enjoyed the little highway jaunt down here. Look at that wind. It is crazy. Anytime it's windy, I really hate that windscreen. I hate it anyway, but when it's windy, I really hate it. It really shows how bad the buffeting is. Oh, that hurt. That hurt. I would love to, so I have the Blue Ridge, and I think they have a 129. It's a smaller cut down version. I should probably just cut this one down and see if I like it. I can't hurt this windscreen's done. It's already yellowing. Well, not already. I mean, this whole bike has just been beat up by the sun. But it's yellowing and has all those little micro cracks in it. So it's time. I mean, it's time to do something with it. And I have not put a lot of miles on this thing since I got the recall done. I want to look at that pulley. I just want to, you know, not that they did anything wrong. I think they did a great job. I just want to see it for my own eyeballs. Because they had a black one, a white one, and I think they're now, you know, it's kind of like a gray color. As we go slow. This thing is just so responsive and handles so well with that nanny stepping in. If I can get the F3 to run a little bit like this, the F3T, I will be a happy person. Yeah, let's put it in first gear. I was like, it shouldn't be lugging. Not this beast of a machine. Like I said, it's like well, the Spyder's telling me it's 75. That's a little bit optimistic. But it is warm. It's warm enough that when I start moving around on the Spyder, I get warm. But I knew I was going to be riding in the shade. So I brought the leather jacket today. Here pretty soon. Oh, and I can't wait. I will be out in a fantastic t-shirt riding. I look forward to a day like that, to be honest with you. Get a little bit of sun on me. I always feel better, always. And then with this, I'm always trying to shift up. You know, because it revs a little higher than the white one, because of the rear pulley difference. And then on the white Spyder, I find myself leaving that in 5th gear more because it, you know, at cruising speed, it has a lower RPM. So I'm always leaving that one in 5th. This one I'm always looking for a 7th gear. Oh, what a beautiful view that is. And we're nothing high, 900 feet above sea level. So, you know, I'm only a couple hundred feet up, but you don't need a lot, you know, to get out and look across. You don't need a lot of elevation. Man, that clutch, this hand is not liking that clutch at all. I guess the RTs had some type of vacuum assist, so you could pull that clutch lever back and it was like super soft. But these F3s, man, they are stout. And then I will be turning left down here. Oh yeah, look at this. I need to bring the 360 cam, go around. That is gorgeous. I was just down here. So they rent those out as cabins. Oh, those are actually, they're not just travel trailers. Those are, you know, a destination camper to where they're designed to be put somewhere and live full time out of. And that is the most gorgeous little house I've ever seen in my whole entire life. You know, I just uploaded a video today. So yesterday, Sunday. So the video that went live March 5th, I was on this road. It's with my buddy Jeff. Oh, back up the hill. Man, this thing just pulls so strong. Fantastic machine. I think that's why I like the F3 so much. You know, you can just, you do anything with it. You can just crawl around and ride like an old man, or you can be a hooligan. You can cruise on it. You can take the windscreen off and get a ton of air on you. You know, it's whatever you want to do. Those are pretty too. I love the backdrop of that one. Just a really pretty area down through here. That's all I'm gonna say. It's just really pretty, man. Dang, tell you what. So on that, I think I'm gonna let everybody go. See if I can listen to some jams, some tunes, some music. And I'm gonna head on home and grab some dinner, I think. Right, everybody. Stay safe. Big old thumbs up for ramblings today. See everybody down the road. Hey, there's a stop sign, mailbox thingamabobber. Let's go ahead and get that in neutral. Stay safe, everybody.